Rev up your engines! Porsches, they're beautiful cars. They have great handling and quick acceleration. And today I'm going to tell you why you should never buy one. A customer of mine just purchased this one as a toy. He paid about $7,000 for it. It's only got 68,000 miles on it, and it looks beautiful. But somebody paid over $50,000 for this car when it was brand new. So why, oh why did it lose $43,000 of its $50,000 value when it still looks so good and still runs decently? And here comes the answer. It's got a mid-engine, which is great for handling, but horrible for repair. As you can see in this picture, the engine is way up front here in the middle. It's very hard to work on. You can't even see it without taking the body off. So in an actual car, that's all hidden way down in here. Say something like a water pump goes out. And when we look under the car, needless to say, there's not too much working room up there on the engine. This thing is really something to work on when you have an engine problem. Well, in a normal car with the engine in the front, I can do most water pumps in an hour or so. Might cost you $200-300, but on this thing, just changing out a water pump is going to cost you well over $1,000. And literally, that's just the tip of the iceberg. I had a customer with a 911 Porsche. It needed 2 catalytic converters, and the bill would have been over $7,400 to replace them. He just got rid of the car instead. Now, yes, they are really fun cars to drive, and my customer was smart. He got a standard transmission because they're pretty reliable, but the automatics, they're very unreliable as they age and cost a fortune to rebuild. And while they do corner and drive quite well, they actually have a very rough ride, especially with these low-profile tires. Every time I get one and I'm done and I'm road testing it, I ask my wife if she wants to go for a ride. She says, no thanks, I hate those things. They ride like go-karts. Now, if you're looking for style, hey, this might be for you. A lot of people say they're beautiful lawn ornaments. Now, Janis Joplin sang about how all her friends drove Porsches. But really, following Janis Joplin's lifestyle may not be such a smart choice. And remember, if you've got any car questions, just visit the Scotty Kilmer channel. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.